हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल डू इट बाय हार्ट में आप सबका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। जैसा कि आप जानते हैं कि बीएड फर्स्ट ईयर से रिलेटेड एमसीक्यू सीरीज़ चल रही है। आज हम पेडागोजी ऑफ सोशल साइंस, इकोनॉमिक्स एंड ज्योग्राफी से रिलेटेड एमसीक्यू क्वेश्चंस करने वाले हैं। बीएड के जो क्वेश्चंस है वो एमसीक्यू बेस्ड रहेंगे, तो इसमें ये मैटर नहीं करता कि आपका मीडियम ऑफ इंस्ट्रक्शन क्या है, इंग्लिश है या हिंदी है। क्वेश्चंस जो है वो दोनों में ही आएंगे। और अगर आपको कोई कन्फ्यूजन होता है इंग्लिश के क्वेश्चंस पढ़ के, तो आप उसको हिंदी में रेफ़र कर सकते हैं, और हिंदी के क्वेश्चंस पढ़ के कोई कन्फ्यूजन होता है तो आप इंग्लिश में रेफ़र कर सकते हैं। तो चलिए हम स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 38, हु आर्ग्यूड दैट द एक्शन ऑफ इंडिविजुअल एंड सोसाइटीज आर इन्फ्लुएंस्ड बाय द physical environment, particularly climate, food, soil, and the general aspect of nature? A. Buckle, B. Karl Marx, C. Ogburn, या D. Pareto? Correct answer is option number A. Buckle. Question number 39. Which of the following mathematical aspects are used by geography to achieve useful information and for the further analysis of data? A. Trigonometry theory related to vectors. B. Trigonometry theory related to x-axis and y-axis. C. Trigonometry theory related to coordinates. Yeah, D. All of the above. Correct answer is option number D. All of the above. Question number 40. The knowledge of which discipline allows the geographers to study the surface of Earth, its mass, analysis of population and of the Earth? A. Money and banking. B. Mathematics. C. History. या D. Architecture. Correct answer is option number B. Mathematics. Question number 41. Which subject helps geographers to use calculation in order to identify population density in particular region? A. Money and banking. B. Biology. C. Mathematics. या D. Archaeology. Correct answer is option number C. Mathematics. Question number 42. Geography requires mathematical calculation to know about A. Distance of places. B. Gradients of hill and area. C. Heights of places. D. All of the above. Correct answer is option number D. All of the above. Question number 43. Geographical environment includes A. Surface of the earth with all its physical features and natural resources. B. Distribution of land and water. C. Mountains and plains, minerals, plants and animals. D. All of the above. Correct answer is option number D. All of the above. Question number 44. Which subject explains how wealth is created and distributed in communities, how people allocate resources that are scarce? A. Money and banking. B. Economics. C. History. D. Architecture. Correct answer is option number B. Economics. Question number 45. Economics is the study of the nature and causes of nation, wealth, or simply the study of wealth. Whose statement is this? A. Mardy J. Horowitz. B. William James. C. Adam Smith. D. Herman Ebbinghaus. Correct answer is option number C. Adam Smith. Question number 46. Economics is the study of man in the ordinary business of life. It inquires how he gets his income and how he uses it. Thus, it is on the one side the study of wealth, and on the other side, and more important side, the part of study of men. Who said so? A. Alfred Marshall. B. Kingball Young. C. Mark M. Kurg. D. Hegel. Correct answer is option number A. Alfred Marshall. Question number 47. Economics is the science which studies human behavior as a relationship between ants and scarce mean, which have alternative views. Whose statement is this? A. Herbert Spencer. B. Sorokin. C. Durkheim. D. Professor Lionel Robbins. Correct answer is option number D. Prof. Lionel Robbins. Question number 48. Economics is the study of how people and society end up choosing, with or without the use of money, to employ scarce productive resources that could have alternative uses to produce various commodities over time, and distributing them for consumption. Whose comment is this? A. Horton and Hunt, B. Melvin M. Tumin, C. Professor Samuelson, या D. Lundsberg. Correct answer is option number C. Professor Samuelson. Question number 49. The knowledge of which subject helps in various spheres including business, finance, government accounts and banking system? A. Geography, B. Economics, C. History, या D. Architecture. Correct answer is option number B. Economics. Question number 50. Which subject is the scientific study of relationship between economic variables, behavior of consumer and firms, nature of market and economy, effect of change in one or more economic variables on the others? A. Money and banking, B. Economics, C. History, and D. Architecture. Correct answer is option number B. Economics. Question number 51. Theories of which subject help in solving the problem of unemployment, improper distribution of resources, price, and economic instability, unequal distribution of income and wealth? A. History, B. Geography, C. Economics, या D. Military science. Correct answer is option number C. Economics. Question number 52. Which subject help us to decide how much goods should be produced, how much they should be priced, how the government should control money supply, interest rate, public debts, and government expenditure, etc.? A. Accountancy, B. Economics, C. History, या D. Agricultural science. Correct answer is option number B. Economics. Question number 53. Which subjects being the science of money deals with issues like origin of money, distribution, consumption, saving, exchange and investment? A. History, B. Geography, C. Economics, या D. Military science. Correct answer is option number C. Economics. Question number 54. If a nation has to enjoy political stability, it is very essential that its economy should also be A. Stable, B. Unstable, C. Unsteady, D. Fluctuating. Correct answer is option number A. Stable. Question number 55. The burning issue of the present day politics at the same time are the fundamental question of economics. Indeed, the whole theory of government administration is largely economics. Whose statement is this? A. Horton and Hunt, B. Melvin M. Tumin, C. Garner, या D. Lundsberg. Correct answer is option number C. Garner. Question number 56. Political movements are profoundly influenced by economic causes. Economic life is conditioned by political institutions and ideas. Who held so? A. Arthur Fox, B. Gilchrist, C. Lord Stanley, या D. Herbert Morrison. Correct answer is option number B. Gilchrist. Question number 57. Who writes that study of humanity is the journal functioning is but economics? A. Lion Gardiner, B. Marshall, C. John Snow, या D. Baltimore. Correct answer is option number B. Marshall. Question number 58. History has no foundation without economics, and economics has no fruit without history. Who said so? A. John Seeley, B. Justice Marshall, C. Duncan Mitchell, या D. Herbert Morrison. Correct answer is option number A. John Seeley. Question number 59. Various economic theories like theory of wages, quantity theory of money, etc. are solely based on the application of A. Accountancy, B. Mathematics, C. History, या D. Agriculture science. Correct answer is option number B. Mathematics. Question number 60. The direct application of mathematical reasoning to the discovery of economic truth has recently rendered great services in the hands of master mathematician. Whose view is this? A. Lion Gardiner, B. Ernest W. Burgess, C. Edwin Arthur Peel, D. Professor Marshall. Correct answer is option number D. Professor Marshall. Question number 61. Climate, forest, land, mountains, flora and fauna, mineral, etc. are the part of A. Geography, B. Horticulture, C. History, या D. Mountaineering. Correct answer is option number A. Geography. Question number 62. Economics is fundamentally concerned with the problem arising from the production of goods and services and the demand for them. Who had such view? A. Through B. Malthy, C. Gary Moore, या D. Jean Piaget. Correct answer is option number B. Malthy. Question number 63. Which academic discipline helps in the distribution of wealth, understanding changes in the prices of commodities, and in the study of different planning? A. Accountancy, B. Statistics, C. History, या D. Agriculture science. Correct answer is option number B. Statistics. Question number 64. No student of political economy can pretend to have complete equipment unless he is the master of methods of statistics, knows its difficulties, can see where accurate figures are possible, can criticize the statistical evidences that he may place on the estimates given to him. Whose view is this? A. Woodworth, B. Marcus, C. Bole, D. J.W. Best. Correct answer is option number C. Bole. Question number 65. What of the following is the study of decisions of people and business and the interaction of those decisions in market? Accountancy, B. Statistics, C. Macroeconomics, या D. Microeconomics. Correct answer is option number D. Microeconomics. Question number 66. In which subject we study the effect of government regulations and taxes on the prices and quantities of individual goods and services? A. Microeconomics, B. Statistics, C. Accountancy, या D. Macroeconomics. Correct answer is option number A. Microeconomics. Question number 67. What of the following is useful for the consumers for proper allocation of money on different goods and services so that they can get maximum utility? A. Accountancy, B. Statistics, C. Macroeconomics, या D. Microeconomics. Correct answer is option number D. Microeconomics. Question number 68. What helps in the formulation of economic policies to promote the welfare of the people? A. Microeconomics, B. Business management, C. Accountancy, या D. Macroeconomics. Correct answer is option number A. Microeconomics. Question number 69. Microeconomic theory explains the composition or allocation of total production. Why more of something are produced than of the other? Who said so? A. Robert E. Park, B. Professor Watson, C. Ernest W. Burgess, या D. Zeichner. Correct answer is option number B. Professor Watson. Question number 70. Which theory shows that best possible economic efficiency is achieved when there prevails perfect competition in the product and factor markets? A. Microeconomics, B. Law of demand and supply, C. Consumer surplus, D. Macroeconomics. Correct answer is option number A. Microeconomics. Question number 71. Which theory describes the actual operation of the economy and suggests policies to remove inefficiencies from the economic system to maximize the social welfare? A. Microeconomics, B. Law of demand and supply, C. Consumer surplus, या D. Macroeconomics. Correct answer is option number A. Microeconomics. Question number 72. Microeconomics helps us in the understanding of other economic sciences like macroeconomics, public finance, B. Monetary economics and labor finance, C. International trade economic, या D. All of the above. Correct answer is option number D. All of the above. Question number 73. The term macro is also derived from Greek word macros, which means A. Petty, B. Large or big, C. Trivial, या D. Small. Correct answer is option number B. Large or big. Question number 74. What involves the study of economic problems, causes, and remedies of the problem in different sectors? Example, household sector, government sector, foreign trade sector, या business sector. Option number A, microeconomics, B, business management, C, accountancy, D, macroeconomics. Correct answer is option number D, macroeconomics. Question number 75. The main aim of macroeconomics is to explain A. General price level, B. National income, C. Employment and production, D. All of the above. Correct answer is option number D. All of the above. Question number 76. Which academic discipline helps us in the study of relationship between macroeconomics variables like aggregate consumption, aggregate income, aggregate saving, aggregate investment, aggregate demand, aggregate supply, and price level? A. Macroeconomics, B. Monetary economics, C. International trade economics, D. Public finance. Correct answer is option number A. Macroeconomics. Question number 77. In order to understand the functioning of economy, which discipline provides us the knowledge of product market, labor market, capital market, land market, and international trade market? Option number A, microeconomics, B, law of demand and supply, C, consumer surplus, या D, macroeconomics. Correct answer is option number D, macroeconomics. पहले की वीडियोस का लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएगा, लेकिन उससे पहले अगर आपने अभी तक मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ जल्दी से सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए, बेल आइकन ज़रूर क्लिक करें जिससे आपको सारी नोटिफिकेशंस पहले से पहले मिल सकें और लाइक एंड शेयर करना ना भूलें।